Hello and welcome to the InoxFURY unboxing video. The machine and its accessories are delivered in a secure wooden crate, which contains everything you need to get started. 5 litres of cleaning and neutralising fluid are also supplied, so you can get cleaning right away. All other accessories are packed in a convenient orange carry case. First out the box, we have the black earthing or ground cable, which connects to the top of the machine. Next out the set is the orange brush cable with handle, which also connects at the top of the machine. We then screw the brush wand and triple brush adapter into the handle. The set contains a pack of 10 InoxFURY brushes, our high performance brush capable of operating at 200 amps. The brushes are screwed into the triple brush adapter, and we always use 3 of them at the same time. Using 3 brushes at once will help you cover a larger surface area and clean welds much faster. Twist the shroud to secure the brushes and adjust their length. Here are some other helpful items found within the starter set. We have the acid container with a wide neck for easy brush dipping, a spray bottle with sprayer so you can apply the neutralising fluid evenly, a microfiber cloth that is very effective when cleaning away excess fluid, and an empty plastic container to store any additional fluid. On top of this, you get a handy quick start guide. The InoxFURY is the world's most powerful weld cleaner, perfect for larger projects and heavily oxidised welds. This also includes rust, heat tints and oxide scale on all types of stainless steel and aluminium surfaces. Thank you for watching. Please leave your comments and questions below.